what we have going on here is the shock. The shock on this is bad, and so we're just gonna do a replacement of the shock. It doesn't hold up anymore. So what we'll do here is we will use a pole to hold this tailgate up, just so it doesn't slam on our heads. So what we're gonna do here to take out the old shocks. So here we're just gonna use a pick to pull that out. Oh shoot. Well, it comes with the new one. Same thing here. You know, I'm just gonna skip the pick and just use the flathead screwdriver. Pull this off. Pop that out and pop that out. It's the old shock. Now with the new, we want to, so you can just snap it in. And then with this, I'm gonna have to turn that, just so we push that tailgate up just a little bit. Put it up more. And that is it for that. So we'll replace this other side as well. Okay, we'll pop this clip out as well. Okay. Now we can take this out. All right, you can test it, Jess, if you want. Oh, there's a, these are all bad.
It's tight.
There you go. If you like what you saw, please hit the like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching.